Monkey. Monkey. Hey. What's up? Are you bored? I'm sorry I was away for a couple of days. Did you have enough to do here? Did you occupy yourself? Like what did I miss? What happened? What did you do? Dude, where did you play with the fake mouse? Did you throw it around? Did you sweep on the couch? Dude, did you pee anywhere that I should know about? Monkey, would you sit still for a minute so I can take your picture? We're trying. Hey, Monkey. So oh my God. Did Jody take care of you? Monkey. Monkey. Come here. It's good to see you, buddy.